Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Keyshawn Robinson, the Rich Realtor. All my friends are here. Let's get this party started. Welcome. It's the Rich Realtor Show, episode number 9. I'm your host, Keyshawn Robinson, the Rich Realtor. You know my slogan. Don't call me a realtor without calling me rich. Hey, I need you guys to like, share, and subscribe. Again, I'm going to say that one more time. Like, share, and subscribe. You can find us over on YouTube. You can find us on Facebook. I'm now doing clips from specific parts of the show, and I'm throwing them on Facebook and I'm throwing them on Instagram. It's kind of harder with Instagram because they're not like a web browser, so it doesn't, it's just hard to do it. Anyway, welcome. How you guys doing today? I'm doing fine. I'm doing great as usual. The Punisher hat back on, so I got to bring it today. Again, it's me, your host, Keyshawn Robinson, the Rich Realtor. Let me get a horn for myself. That's right, that's right, that's right. All right, I done rambled long enough. It's time to get this show started. You know how we got, you know how we do it. You guys know how we do it. We're going to start with the show intro. Let's get this show. Let's get it started. You know what time it is. It's the Rich Realtor Show, episode number 9. I'm back here. I'm back here to feed. I'm feeding the streets and the households. It's the Rich Realtor. You already know. Hey, every show, you should be taking something away, extracting information, downloading it into your brain in order for you to use that information when time comes around. But it's me, the Rich Realtor. It's that time. It's time to get up. It's time to get out your chair. It's time to get out that bed. It's time to hit the bank. Check and see where your account is. I want you to hit the bank. I want you to check and see where your account is. If your account higher than it was last week, I want you to wave your phones. I want you to wave your smartphones in the air. Like you just don't care. Come on, man. It's 2023, peoples. I'm your host. Don't call me a realtor without calling me rich. Come on, man. It's Keyshawn Robinson, the Rich Realtor. I'm here, holding myself accountable. Wasn't even gonna shoot this show tonight. But who gonna bring it to you like I'm gonna bring it to you? If I can't hold myself accountable, how can I hold you accountable? That makes sense? Yesterday we were talking about mindset. You gotta be in the right mindset at all times. Before that, we talked about motivation. You have to be motivated. It's Keyshawn Robinson, the Rich Realtor. I'm bringing you free info. Again, they don't teach this in schools. They do not teach this in school. You're getting this for free. Like, share, and subscribe. You pay with your eyes. It's free. Let's go. It's the Rich Realtor, man. All right, all right, all right. All right, DJ. Cut the track. I said we didn't have that much time, y'all. I normally let it run through. I'm about to try to adjust my chair real quick because it's seeming like it's a little low or something. Let me see. I don't know what's going on. Maybe some of the air that kind of. So I'm at, if you don't know, I am in, it's like my sunroom. So I got my setup. I wish I could turn around and show you. I got my setup at the like the breakfast bar. So if what's in front of me is the kitchen. What's behind me is like the sunroom. So I got the bar stools that I'm sitting on there. And then that's why I be moving crazy. I be looking at myself because I'm seeing how I look in the camera. I'm like, damn, I look like an old ass man trying to get out the chair. That's neither here nor there, but I just told you. Bar stool seats, bar stool seats. How you guys feeling? Everybody good? I hope so. It's another day, another dollar. I just bought it's a hard drive, external hard drive. So I have to import or extract these videos and move them off my hard drive because I've been going so long